There are moments in our history when we have to make a fundamental choice. This is one such moment. A moment when our choice will determine the life or death of our kind of society, and that to defend ourselves is an injustice. We did not want this war. It was thrust upon us like all others. That out of the horror of combat will come the recognition that no nation can stand against a world united. No nation will be permitted to brutally assault its neighbour.
Today is the last day of an era past. The continuation of this bloody struggle remains a subject of deep concern to the nation and to the entire world.
Based on this knowledge, we must forge deeper bonds of trust.